Good morning to all of you. My name is Jacqueline Hoffman-Gibbs, and today I will be going over the hazard analysis that we conducted at the office space in the University of New England in Portland, Maine. What is a hazard analysis? The purpose of a hazard analysis is to provide guidance to office managers and employees on the elements of safe office work. The office is like any other work environment, and it may present potential hazards to the employees. The purpose of a hazard analysis is to identify potential risk factors of a workplace, provide a risk assessment, recommend intervention to alleviate the risk factors, and increase the employer's awareness of the risk in the workplace. Here is the list of demographics of the employees that you have in the office. We have 60 employees, and 60% are females, 40% are males, and they range between the ages 22 to 50, and they all have graduate degrees and bachelor's degrees. There is an 8-hour workday, and 5 hours is spent typing and 1 to 2 hours on the phone. There is currently no safety committee in the office, and there has been no OSHA visits. The following are the hazards that we have identified in the office. Here we have extensive typing, which can lead to carpal tunnel syndrome. Prolonged sitting can result to illness such as heart disease. Improper phone handling can cause shoulder and neck stiffness. The humidity, there has been mold present in the office, and also can present respiratory illness. Constant change in temperature can also cause illness such as cough or a cold, and narrow walkways can lead to trips and falls. Here you will find the job content evaluation that we have done at the office. Here you will see the skill discretion, decision authority, decision latitude, and psychological job demands. Here we will find that the office has a higher result compared to the national average in skill discretion, and similar to decision authority along with decision latitude. However, it has a lower number of psychological job demands compared to the national average. On the bottom right-hand side of the slide, you will also find the demand control model. It discusses decision latitude and psychological demands. Upon analyzing the job at the University of New England office site, we find that the work environment has a low strain to its employees. Having a work environment with low strain means lower occupational injury and high levels of satisfaction, which is the ultimate goal for employees. Here you will find the recommendations that we have identified for the hazards in the environment at the office site. We see that taking breaks is the #1 priority. Adjusting computer height, providing headphones for when the employees have to speak to students and also have to type at the same time, a keyboard tray and forearm support, which can alleviate carpal tunnel syndrome, a wider walk space, which can reduce the number of trips and fall. We identified taking breaks as the #1 recommendation because prolonged sitting has been linked to several diseases. We have to encourage our employees to take breaks, get some stretches in order to get their blood moving, and also get some exercises in throughout the day. Not having recommended breaks prevents some employees to take the recommended 15-minute breaks throughout the day. So therefore, encouraging break periods can alleviate some of the diseases associated with prolonged sitting. That's all I have for today. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. Below you will find my information along with my contact number, my website, and my email address. Feel free to contact me with any questions regarding the recommendations for this hazard analysis. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.